Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. What is the primary purpose of the Satisfies operator introduced in TypeScript 4.9? The correct answer is option A. To validate that an expression matches a type without changing the resulting type of that expression. Given type color equals red, blue, type intensity equals light, dark, what is the result of type theme equals $intensity $ color? The correct answer is option B, light red, light blue, dark red, dark blue. Which utility type is used to obtain the unwrapped resolved type of a promise? The correct answer is option C, awaited T. In a conditional type, T extends, args, any equals infer r, any. What does the infer keyword do? The correct answer is option D. It introduces a temporary type variable to be captured within the true branch. What is branded types, or nominal typing, used for in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. To distinguish between two types that have the same structural shape but different semantic meanings. What happens when you apply as const to an object literal? The correct answer is option B. All properties become read-only and literal types are preserved rather than widened. Introduced in TS 5.4, what is the purpose of the NoInfer T intrinsic type? The correct answer is option C. To prevent TypeScript from using a specific site to infer a generic type parameter. What is the main difference between the private modifier and ECMAScript private fields, hashtag field? The correct answer is option D. Private is only enforced during compilation, while hashtag provides hard privacy at runtime. Which keyword is used to prevent a class from being instantiated directly, requiring it to be subclassed? The correct answer is option A, abstract. What is the result of required partial name string? The correct answer is option B, name string. How can you capture the return type of a function fn that has generics? The correct answer is option C, type T equals return type, typeof fn. Which of the following is the correct way to define a recursive type for a JSON-like structure? The correct answer is option D, type JSON equals any, // recursive types are not supported. What is the difference between extract TU and exclude TU? The correct answer is option A. Extract selects types in T that are assignable to you. Exclude removes types in T that are assignable to you. In a TypeScript function signature, what is the this parameter used for? The correct answer is option B. To explicitly type the this context within the function body. How do you add a new property to the window object in a global scope? The correct answer is option C. Declare global interface window new prop string. What is a disadvantage of using an index signature like key string any? The correct answer is option D. It disables type safety for any property access on that object. How is the never type typically used in a switch case statement for exhaustiveness checking? The correct answer is option A. By assigning the default case variable to a variable of type never. Which syntax correctly declares a read-only array of numbers? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. With the new Stage 3 Decorators support in TS 5.0, what is the signature of a class method decorator? The correct answer is option B, value, function, context, class method decorator context, equals any. Which intrinsic string manipulation type converts the first character of a string literal type to uppercase? The correct answer is option D, capitalized T. What is the result of the type string number? The correct answer is option A, a tuple with any number of strings followed by exactly one number. What does non-nullable string number undefined null evaluate to? The correct answer is option B, string number. Which utility type extracts the types of the arguments of a function type? The correct answer is option C, parameters T. What is the main difference between a namespace and a module in modern TypeScript? The correct answer is option D, modules cannot be nested, but namespaces can. Which of these is a unique capability of an interface that a type alias does not have? The correct answer is option A, declaration merging. Multiple definitions of the same name are joined. What is the purpose of the override keyword in a class? The correct answer is option B, to ensure that a method in a subclass is explicitly intended to replace a method in the base class. If you have class user name, string, age, number, what is keyoff user? The correct answer is option C, name age. How do you check if a variable x of type unknown is a string before calling dot to uppercase? The correct answer is option D, if typeof x equals string. What is the purpose of the // reference path equals / directive? The correct answer is option A, to declare a dependency on another file for the compiler to include. Can you use the instanceif operator to check if an object implements a specific TypeScript interface at runtime? The correct answer is option B. No, because interfaces are erased during compilation and do not exist at runtime. Thank you for watching.